What can I eat to replace bread? For those seeking to minimize carbohydrate intake, there are numerous excellent substitutes for bread that you may consider. 1. Lettuce wraps. Utilize large leaves of lettuce to encase your sandwich fillings. This option offers a fresh and crunchy texture. 2. Cloud bread. Commonly referred to as oopsie bread, this alternative is crafted from eggs and cream cheese, resulting in a very low carbohydrate content. 3. Portobello mushrooms. These mushrooms can serve as buns for burgers or as a base for sandwiches. They provide a robust texture and substantial feel. 4. Eggplant discs. Cut eggplant into thick rounds, season them, and either grill or bake. They serve as an excellent foundation for open-faced sandwiches. 5. Almond flour bread. This option resembles traditional bread but is made with almond flour to maintain a low carbohydrate level. These substitutes enable you to savor your preferred dishes while adhering to a low-carb or ketogenic diet. For further information, please click the link below.